Alex, where are we at right now?
Phillips.
Phillips 66 Car Wash. And Alex just got done eating Jack in the Box tacos with no lettuce. So we are going to go over here by Crossroads Elementary School. We're going to plug in the code. And the code is 5696. Enter the code. And the rest of the code. I think that's it. Oh, the code is... what is this code? Alright, hold on. I gotta, yeah, we're getting car wash. I'm just trying to figure the code. Car wash, oh, here it is. 740. There we go. Checking code. Please wait. Purchase one. Neutral. Alright. We're in neutral, Alex. It says stop, neutral, no brake, no steering. See the big sign over here? See, it says stop. There it goes. Alright, now we are now going into the car wash, Alex.
Yes.
Alright. We're getting our car clean. And it's moving us. There's that big blue, what do you call this? Yeah, it's a blue thing. It's putting soap all over the windows. Foam, yeah. All the foam. It's going above us, see? Up here, Alex? Yeah, I hear it. Wow. Alex, like the car wash? It's loud, isn't it?
Yes.
Very loud. Big things on the side over here. Wow. Right there. Big, looks like blue and red. Now it's all full of foam. But you gotta rinse it off. I don't call that soap. They rinse all the soap off. We gotta get a clean Honda Accord here, right?
Yes.
It's not a Toyota Camry, because you can't say Camry, can you, Alex?
No.
Oh, saying Camry. Drying it off. Wow, this is nice. Look at it, all nice and clean, B-Row. And the fast lane says thank you. There's a thank you sign right there. It says thank you. If you have problems, call Car Wash 636-625-6703. And there's a Phillips 66. And I think we're done, Alex, aren't we?
Yes.
Car Wash is complete. We'll publish this to YouTube.